9 out of 10 drivers have no idea these car hacks are even possible. But here's the twist. Just one of these hacks could save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Chances are you've been ignoring these your entire life. So before you spend another dollar at the mechanic, here are 15 genius car hacks only experienced drivers know. Don't skip. This will save you a lot of money. Let's start now. Hack number 15. Key fob plus aluminum foil. Your car keeps getting broken into. No broken windows, no damaged locks. So how are thieves getting inside? They're using relay theft. Criminals amplify your key fob signal from inside your house while you sleep, tricking your car into unlocking itself. The hack? Wrap your key fob in aluminum foil or store it in a metal container. The foil blocks the signal completely. It costs nothing, takes 5 seconds. Dealership key replacement? $200 to $500. Question: would you rather use one sheet of foil or pay $500 later? Hack number 14. Baking soda for foggy taillights. Foggy yellow taillights? Mechanics say they're oxidized and need replacement. Cost? $150 to $400 per light. Reality? It's surface oxidation. Mix baking soda with water into a paste. Scrub, rinse, done. Add a thin layer of car wax afterward, and they stay clear for years. If you've ever overpaid a mechanic, hit the like button. Comment below which hack surprised you the most so far. And if you want more money-saving car tips like this, subscribe now. You'll thank yourself later. All right, let's continue. Hack number 13. WD-40 in engine bay. Mechanics charge $100 to $200 for engine bay cleaning. You can do most of it yourself with a $5 can of WD-40. Battery terminals, metal connectors, rubber hoses. It cleans, prevents corrosion, and protects components. Important question: why would a mechanic teach you prevention when repairs make them money? Hack number 12. Socks on windshield wipers. Frozen wipers destroy themselves when forced. Put old socks over them overnight. No ice buildup, no tearing rubber, no replacement. Shops love selling wiper blades because the markup is huge. Hack number 11. Rubbing alcohol de-icer. Mix 2 parts rubbing alcohol, 1 part water. Spray on ice. It melts instantly. Works on windshields, door locks, side mirrors. It costs about $2 for the entire winter. Hack number 10. Steering wheel lock bar. A $25 steering wheel lock prevents theft, reduces steering wear, works as emergency tool. Yet nobody recommends it. Why? Because prevention doesn't pay repair bills. Hack number 9. Hidden sun visor feature. Your sun visor doesn't just flip down, it slides out and swings sideways to block side-angle sun. Built into almost every car. Question: how many features are you paying for but never using? Hack number 8. Tennis ball garage parking trick. Hang a tennis ball from the ceiling. When it touches your windshield, stop. Perfect parking every time. Costs less than $1. Hack number 7. Wet wipes for steering wheel. Hand oils destroy steering wheels. Wipe it regularly with unscented wipes. Prevents cracking, peeling, and stickiness for years. $3 solution versus $300 replacement. Hack number 6. Slime for AC vents. Musty AC smell? Use cleaning slime in air vents. It pulls out years of dirt and debris. $5 slime versus $300 AC cleaning service. Hack number 5. Hidden wiper maintenance mode. Accessory mode. Flick wiper stock once. Wipers move upright automatically. Forcing them manually can break motors. Expensive repairs mechanics love. Hack number 4. WD-40 on hinges. Hood squeaking? Door creaking? Spray WD-40 on hinges. 30 seconds. Problem gone. Prevent wear before it becomes expensive damage. Hack number 3. Shaving cream anti-fog. Spray shaving cream on the inside of your windshield. Spread, buff off. Creates an invisible anti-fog barrier for weeks. $2 solution that outperforms expensive products. Hack number 2. Remote summon feature. Many modern cars can move forward or backward remotely. Check key fob, mobile app, vehicle settings. Your car might already do what shops charge $800 upgrades for. Hack number 1. Emergency trunk release. Every car made after 2002 has a glow-in-the-dark trunk release inside. It can save your life, save $500 in repairs, yet almost nobody knows it exists. How many of these hacks did you already know? Comment below. Subscribe for more car secrets, and click the next video because mechanics are hiding even more.